How to convert decimals to fractions. Such a tricky concept. Don't worry. Today we will learn how to convert decimals to fractions with lots of examples. 0.3 or 0.3. How do you convert it into a fraction? For numerator, just remove the decimal point. So we have 3 as the numerator. For the denominator, remember, the denominator has the same number of zeros after 1 as the number of digits after the decimal point. Here, there is 1 digit after decimal point. So, we have 10 as the denominator. The answer is 3 by 10. Next example. Convert 0.5 to a fraction. The decimal point removed in the number is the numerator of the resulting fraction. So our numerator is 5. The denominator is 1 followed by, how many zeros? Here we have 1 digit after decimal. So denominator will have 1 0 after 1. So denominator will be 10. Answer is 5 by 10. Let us take another one. 0.8. For numerator, just remove the decimal point, so we have 8. The denominator is 1 followed by how many zeros? 1, because we have 1 digit after decimal point. Answer is 8 by 10. Let us take a more complex decimal. 0.32. The principle remains the same. Numerator is the number with decimal removed. So 32. Denominator is 1 followed by number of zeros that is equal to the number of digits after the decimal point. Here 2 digits after decimal point, so we will have 2 zeros after 1 in denominator. Answer is 32 by 100. Let us take another example. 0.58. Can you say what the fraction is? The numerator is the number with decimal removed. So the numerator is 58. And the denominator? 1 followed by 2 zeros, because there are 2 digits after the decimal. Answer is 58 by 100. Let us take a tricky number. 0.02. Can you pause the video and solve for it? The numerator is the number with decimal removed. So numerator of the resulting fraction is 0, 2, or 2. The denominator is 1 followed by how many zeros? 2 zeros because there are 2 digits after the decimal. So the denominator is 100. Answer is 2 by 100. Let us take a more complex decimal. 0.327. The principles remain the same. The numerator when converting to a fraction will be the same number with decimal removed. The denominator will be 1 followed by the number of zeros equal to number of digits after the decimal. So we have denominator equal to 1000. The answer is 327 by 1000. Pause the video and solve for this one. Now you have had some practice. What is the answer going to be? With decimal removed, we get the numerator 503. There are 3 digits after decimal point. So, the denominator will have 3 zeros. It will be 1000. So we have the answer as 503 by 1000. As a last example, let us take a slightly tricky question. Convert 0.089 to a fraction. The numerator will be 089 or 89. And the denominator will be 1 followed by 3 zeros. Because there are 3 digits after the decimal point. So the answer here is 89 by 1000. STEM Kit. STEM Kit Conceptual Maths, Grade 4.